This equation, x plus y equals z. This equation, I actually want you all to take pictures, snapshot this slide. I want you to use this slide. And this slide here, I want you to train your line workers. I want you to train them this equation. I studied electrical engineering for 2.5 years, and they taught me all kinds of equations that today, I don't even remember any of them, okay? But this equation, you got to remember this one. X is the conductor. It doesn't matter if that conductor is energized or de-energized, X is the conductor. Remember that. Y plus Y. Y is tool functionality. How does a tool even work? That's what we're going to talk about. We need to explain the why and the how behind everything, all the components of the system, all the equipment, all the tools. We need to talk about the different bucket trucks. They have slightly different procedures, different bucket trucks. And we need to talk about everything so we understand. Here's how they work. The tool functionality is the tool makes contact with the X, the conductor, right here. The tool, the current begins to flow through the tool. It looks at that current, the tools do, whether you're phasing, whether you're looking at the potential. It looks at that current in relation to the ground plane. Always remember this. Always. That's a wireless. If it's a corded tool, they work absolutely the same principle, but instead of going through the air, the current through the air, guess what? That current is flowing through the tool, the cord of the tool, in relation to the ground plane. Y'all see that? You get that, young Simon? Okay? All right? So it's the same principle exactly. It's just you have air or cord. That's the medium. All right? So equals. Y'all need to always remember this right here. I want you, man, okay. If you don't remember anything right here, this is what I want you to remember right here. That Z. That's what we got to get to. We got to get to that equal thing called Z, because this is safety and accurate information gathering right there. All right? If we do not use the tools properly, if we don't understand the functionality of the tools, we may never have Z in our whole career. We've been doing things wrong our whole time. Hey, we never got hurt. It's the way I've been doing things. Oh, guess what? If there's a better way, if there's more understanding, more knowledge, then what's going to happen is you may finally get to the safety and accurate information gathering. We don't want just, oh, we're in phase. Oh, well, here's the potential phase to ground. Oh, we're going phase to phase. All right? No, we don't want to just get the answer as far as some number. We want to get Z equals safety. That's always been first. And if we've been doing them wrong, you all may not have been getting safety, just in information. And it might not even been the accurate information, the correct information. Wow, this tool's acting funny. Oh, the tool's acting funny? Maybe it's because you're using it improperly. And we're going to talk about that. Proper body position, proper tool position. It's so important.